So there's this beautiful girl I was with in the laundry room as I was cleaning. This is how it all started. I was ironing my clothes in the laundry room as I normally do, and then this happened. This girl approached me and she was asking me some certain questions. I told her to wait in the laundry room, sit down somewhere. I'm coming to attend to you later. And then she started behaving in some way that I couldn't understand. Like she was trying to behave somehow funny and all that. I was just observing from the back of the laundry table as he was sitting on the visitor seat and I was on the laundry table ironing, just as you can see now. So I observed some movement and I say that as immediately I'm done with this ironing, I'm going to go and talk to her and understand what's going on. But there are so many things that was going on in my head as I was ironing. I was planning, what does this girl want to say? That what will she say? How is she behaving so fun? Like, is it the first time he's seen? I don't understand. Like, I wanted to understand why she's behaving like that, because the behavior was somehow out of the sight. There was a time that I bended low, trying to look at, try to just be observing her movement and try to make it an understanding to the woman. I'm not that good with knowing that movement. So this is what happened. I then, after I was done, I then picked my bag. I went to meet her, and guess what? I'll see you in the next video.